Good morning. How y'all doing? We are at the Over Yonder RV park. Of course, we got here late on Wednesday. Started raining. Rained all day Thursday. And we just hunkered down. And today is Friday morning. And it's all nice and pretty out. Look how blue that sky is. So happy it's not raining. But these folks over here are the owners of the park. They got a few full-timers in here. And look at here, if you're going to be here for a little while, you get your own mailbox. Isn't that cool? It's awesome. Half these people in the park are here because they're here for work. And we just stopped through because this is a Passport America park. We got here, let's see, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're leaving this morning. I don't know if I said that before. Anyway, there's the office. And the price is $20 a night if you don't have Passport America. Full hookup. And with our Passport America, we paid $10 a night. So $30 for 3 nights. Not bad at all. It's a gravel drive when you come in. Most of the sites are graveled with a pad. They've got a stray dog that hangs around, but he's friendly. Everybody feeds him. Of course, they got dumpsters, full hookup. And y'all know, when we come to a place that's full hookup, we do our laundry. So that was at least $10, if not more. It's a nice little place. They have cable TV too. That's included with your full hookup. If you are here for more than 2 weeks, I think it was, you pay for your power. But since we were only here for 3 days, it's all inclusive. And you can see the muddy mess there. Yeah, it rained like a big dog. And there we sit. We're getting ready to pull out of here. And we're going to go meet up with Lola, lost on land again. Yep, I know we're not van dwellers, but we're friends with her, so. And there's Mr. Childers. He says, good morning.
We're heading to the Lola North Texas meetup.
Yep.
Today.
Yep.
And we'll be there for a couple days. Should be a lot of fun.
Should be. Should be. This road right here is a little busy. There's a 4-way stop out here. Oh, and by the way, they're going to be working on that lot right there. It's under the trees. It floods every time it rains. So nobody ever parks there. Most of the rest of them are great. Yep, nice little town. We went to the Dollar General. They have a couple restaurants in town and a small grocery store. There's like 3,000 people in town.
Fixing to crank up.
Okay, well, he's about to crank up, so we'll catch y'all this afternoon. So how is it, Mr. Childers?
Good.
We're at David Beard's Catfish and Seafood restaurant. They had plenty of parking in the back. First restaurant we've come across in this part of Texas where we had plenty of parking. And we stopped here to get us some fish. We try to eat fish at least once a week. And you get a salad, French fries, and 3 fillets of fish and hush puppies for $7.99 a piece. Isn't that awesome? Of course, Mr. Childers, apparently it's really good. He's not stopped.
Good. I'm hungry.
All right. We'll catch y'all in a little.
Howdy.
Hi. What's the last name on the reservation?
Childers.
How do you spell that?
Childers. Well, not like that other town up there.
And we're here for the
North Texas meetup. Van, what's it called?
Lola's North Texas meeting.
Is it?
Yep.
Yep. Troublemaker.